In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a project. To get started, open the project you want to update. Once you're inside, look toward the top area of the screen for the project section. In most layouts, this is where you'll find the current project name, along with access to the main project options. If you can already see the project name, you may be able to click directly on it. In some cases, you might instead need to open Settings first. Both paths lead to the same goal, so just use whichever option appears in your workspace. After you click the project name or open Settings, you should see a place where the current name can be edited. This is the field you'll use to make the change. Take a moment here to type the new project name carefully. It's a good idea to choose something clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you manage multiple projects at once. A descriptive name can make your workspace much easier to navigate and can help prevent confusion down the line. As you enter the new name, double-check the spelling and formatting before moving on. Small mistakes can be easy to overlook, especially if you're making a quick update. If your team uses a naming convention, this is also a good time to make sure the new title matches that format. Once the new name is in place, go ahead and save the change. Look for a save button or the equivalent option in the same area. After saving, the updated project name should appear across the workspace. If you don't see the change immediately, give the page a moment to refresh or briefly navigate away and return to confirm that the update has been applied. And that's it. The project has now been renamed. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your work organized and easy to find. If you're updating several projects, repeating the same process consistently can help maintain a cleaner system overall. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.